So everyone thinks the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is the priority this year. That is a dangerous assumption. While we were all looking at the standard leaks, Samsung quietly hid a massive secret inside their own software. It isn't just a new phone, it is a completely different way to look at the future of foldables. And it proves that Samsung is actually scared. Yes, we dug through all the raw code of the latest One UI update, and this time we found a silhouette that shouldn't be there. It doesn't match the Z Flip, it doesn't match the Z Fold 8, the shape is wrong, it is significantly wider, it is short and broad. Now this confirms the rumors we tried to ignore. The Galaxy Z Wide Fold is real and the software is already being built to support it. This changes the entire schedule. For 5 years, Samsung trained us to accept a tall, narrow screen. They told us the remote control shape was better for holding. We believed them because there was no other option, but that era is ending. The code reveals a device that mimics a passport, not a candy bar. It opens up into landscape view immediately. You don't have to rotate it to watch a video. You don't have to squint at a cramped front screen. But why now? Why change the formula when they own the market? Because a shadow is looming. The foldable iPhone is coming. Every reliable leak says Apple is choosing a wide, short form factor. Samsung knows that if Apple launches a wide foldable, the tall Z Fold 8 will look ancient overnight. They cannot let the iPhone be usable one while the Galaxy stays awkward. This is the direct counter-attack. By launching the wide foldable alongside the standard Fold and Flip later this year, Samsung giving you a choice. But that choice creates a conflict. If the wide fold is better, if it feels more natural like the code suggests, it makes the expensive Z Fold 8 feels obsolete on day one. We saw this happen with the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold. It sold out in minutes, not because of the specs, but because it broke the rules of physics we were used to. But wide fold is trying to capture that same lightning but for a practical everyday user. The designs in the code are basic, but the message is clear. Samsung is admitting that the tall design might have been a mistake, or at least that is not enough anymore. This isn't just about adding another phone to the store. This is Samsung building a defensive wall. They are trying to stop you from switching to Apple before the iPhone even launches. So later this year, you won't just be choosing between Samsung and Apple, you will be choosing between the shape you were forced to use and the shape you probably want all along. The foldable war is no longer about the hinge, it is about the horizon. So what do you guys think about this new Z Wild Fold? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.